Thinking about going induction? Bosch has some of the most reliable and design-forward cooktops in the game. But with 500, 800 in the benchmark series, what actually sets them apart? Stick around and you'll find out. And before we hop on in, have you ever considered why so many people choose Bosch? A great example would be from Consumer Reports, who is a trusted source for product evaluations, highly recommends their Bosch 800 series induction cooktop, for example, for its exceptional performance, reliability, and its advanced features. Another great reason would be that Bosch received the highest numerical score in the proprietary life story research for the last 7 years from America's most trusted kitchen brands, studies that they've conducted for their induction cooktops. For Bosch's cooktops, we have 3 series of inductions to choose from. You'll either have the 500 series, 800 series, and then lastly, their top of the line and flagship Bosch Benchmark. When it comes to the standout features, a great one here that's featured in Bosch's induction is AutoChef, which is a built-in temperature control system that automatically regulates the heat level to maintain consistent, precise cooking temperatures, perfect for searing, sautéing, or even frying. Automatically adjusting the power level to hold a consistent temperature prevents overcooking and eliminates the guesswork. All induction cooktops, whether it's 5, 800 series, or benchmark, come with SpeedBoost. This simple tap of a button temporarily increases the power output of a specific cooking zone to heat things up much faster. This is especially useful when boiling water or starting high heat cooking. Great for instant heat for boiling and searing. If you want more precision than gas or electric cooktops, you'll find it here with 17 power levels to choose from. It breaks the heat control into fine grain increments for better accuracy and lets you dial in exact heat for delicate tasks like melting chocolate or holding a sauce. Not to mention, it also supports high output tasks. There are safety features that can be seen on the control panel here, like the automatic safety shutoff where it'll turn off the cooking zone that has been in use for a long period of time without any changes, and a residual heat indicator that'll show a large capital H for hot and a lower h for warm, and this will indicate residual heat on the cooking surface. And if you have that favorite meal that you love to prepare on your cooktop, you can save it in the settings with the favorites button, pictured here. For me, it's eggs, and this will prevent me from overcooking them every morning. For the higher end Bosch cooktop, a luxury standout feature is the FlexInduction, which allows you to combine multiple cooking zones into one large zone, so you can use oversized pans, griddles, or multiple small pots anywhere within the zone. No need to align cookware perfectly with a burner. This supports large cookware like griddles, grill pans, and even fish pans across 2 zones. One final standout feature is the Wi-Fi connectivity using the Home Connect app. This smart appliance platform lets you monitor your induction cooktop remotely straight from your phone or tablet. This adds a layer of safety and confidence to cooking. You'll also be able to sync your Bosch hood by adjusting the fan speed automatically based on the cooktop activity. And here we have the full lineup for the Bosch induction cooktops. Starting on the left, you'll have 2 in the 500 series at both 30 and 36 inches. In the middle, you'll have the 800 series, which includes 3 options to choose from. A 24 inch, so if you have a smaller kitchen or an ADU, this is perfect, and a 30 and a 36 inch. And then lastly, in Bosch's top of the line Bosch Benchmark, you're going to have 2 cooktops that'll feature all the bells and whistles in both a 30 and a 36 inch option. Before we finish up, I'm going to show you 3 different 36-inch cooktops in each series to display some of the design differences. Here we have the 500 series, and you can clearly see all the cooking zones with white centralized cooking controls with the Bosch logo clearly labeled right at the bottom. As we move up to the 800 series, we notice that the control panel changes, and so does the location of the Bosch badging. This is a subtle but very modern upgrade. Lastly is the benchmark. You'll notice the grid changes entirely. This is due to the FlexInduction cooking surface that allows you to combine multiple cooking zones into one, making this cooktop one of the most popular on the market today. Overall, Bosch has been a trusted and reliable brand and continues to be delivering quality products. I want to say thank you again for tuning in, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive updates for all our new videos.